In today's video, I'm doing a split color Dutch pour, and I had a request in a previous video for yellows and gold, and I haven't done a Dutch pour in just those colors before, so I wanted to try it out and see what it would look like. And so I mixed up white for my base, 3 shades of yellow and gold, and then I decided to do a split color and half of the canvas with white and half of the canvas with my really pale yellow, and then do the darker colors as the Dutch pour. If you want to see a really another cool split color Dutch pour that I've done, you can check out video 506. I did blues and greens in that one, and that one turned out really nice. So I have each of my colors mixed with Floetrol and water to thin them down. I do not have any silicone in my mix, but I find that just using the Floetrol helps me get cells. I'm just using my palette knife to spread out my white paint, and then I'm going to add that light yellow on the other side and also spread that out before I put down my other colors. Once I had my yellow and my white down, I just started running my other colors along the middle of the canvas. I added the gold, some of the mid-tone yellow, and then the dark yellow. I only had a little bit of that pale yellow left, but I just added that to the middle also, just to use up that color. I'm just using my small hairdryer. The airflow is really good. I ended up just putting it on the low setting, and that works out well for me for blowing the paint without the airflow being too strong. Even without any silicone, I got some really nice cells throughout this piece. It dried really, really well. The gold looks awesome in the sunlight. It reflects just beautifully, and I am really happy with the way this one turned out. I think I just get so caught up in colors that I like that I don't think to move out into other color palettes, and just using a monochromatic color scheme of yellows in different shades turned out really, really nice. So if there are other color palettes you want to see in some Dutch pours, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.